Are you a fresher or looking to switch your job in tech domain? Do you want to become data scientist, data engineer or Salesforce developer? Are you worried about your placements due to recession? Don't worry. We have more than 250 positions available with our hiring partners. We are conducting a pre-placement talk this Sunday at 11 a.m. Here, we will explain you the complete process to get these jobs with good packages and achieve good career growth. We'll also talk upon the eligibility, job description, your resume, and very important, do's and don'ts. During this session, you'll actually get to know what exactly these companies are looking into and how can you actually map these things. You know what's more important to achieve great heights in career? It's actually the right start. So, register now on the link given below for the talk and secure your chance to grab the job. Thank you.